3:30 a.m. We've been up all morning. Here comes your mama. We haven't slept tonight. We've been up all night, all day. Look, I got the light on, baby. Cool, huh?
Oh, shows my dark circles.
There she is, swollen and everything, just for you.
There are two types of contractions. One that start from the back that make you want to die,
Right.
and one that starts from the front.
That makes you want to die.
Not as much, but you still want to die.
There's a close-up of her face.
But I love you.
Oh, that's nice, baby. All right.
I'm gonna go jump and take a quick shower and start getting beautiful for later.
5, come on, 6,
Mom's a
7,
diva. She's going to take a shower.
9, 10. Can you do one more? Come on, do
You can
it.
do one more. He's right there.
Go. 2,
Keep it up, keep
3,
He's right
4.
there.
Come on. 5, here he is. 6. Come on, push him. 7,
You can do it.
8,
Push, push.
9,
Come on, Mama.
10.
Here he comes.
Do you want to feel his head?
Reach down and touch his head. But my hands are dirty.
You're fine. So is his head.
I don't want to touch it. I'll wait till it's all cleaned up. No.
All right.
I'm the panner and the recorder. That's all I need to do.
Oxygen. He's got lots of hair.
Come on.
If we were a girl, we could
Ready?
do a pigtail.
Do it?
Yeah.
You can do it. Come on. He's right there. Like you want him out. Push like you want him
Come
out.
on, mama. Come on, mama.
He's moving. He's moving. Get on top more. Hard. Quick push. Hold them legs back.
Breathe. Breathe.
Okay. He's right there. Ready?
Push.
Come on, Jackson.
2,
Come on, mama.
3.
Good job. Good job. He's coming. He's rounding. He's rounding. Good job.
Breathe. Just listen to me now.
Okay.
Now, push, but not as hard.
Little. Grunty pushes. Grunty.
And breathe.
Breathe.
More. Same like that.
Not hard. Just little.
Push.
Okay.
And breathe. And tiny.
Tiny. Less.
Beautiful. Hi, buddy.
Oh,
Hi, buddy.
jeez Louise. I ain't standing up.
No. Just the head. Just the head.
He looks great, though. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Reach down. Reach down. Reach your hands.
Get your hand.
Okay, we're just going to simulate him. His cord's pretty short, so I'm going to get him clamped and cut so they can evaluate him, okay? Come on, buddy. I know, sweetheart. Oh, he's short. Can you get him? Not really. I know, buddy. Hang on. Everything is good. We're just going to evaluate it. Go. All right. Let's do it.
Let him go, baby. Let him go, baby.
Hi, sweetheart.
Oh my God, he's so